guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be hydro dipping these shoes that we bought from Amazon for 20 bucks.
So we already took the shoelaces out, and right now we're going to tape off the parts that we don't want to get the paint on.
Pro tip, fill the bucket of water up where you want it to be. Oh fuck, it's getting all over me. Okay.
Like, if you want to cover it, I guess, when you're close to being done, you like only put a little bit.
Stick her in.
Now you can shake it.
It's like that nail polish thing.
Ooh,
Whoa.
that's gross.
It's hard though. It's gonna be crusty.
Yeah.
What do you mean it's gonna be crusty?
Like, do you see all the?
But that's
That's
that part.
not even.
That's true. It's tape mostly.
I guess you just wait for it to dry now.
We don't know. Whoa.
Round one, baby.
Looks like period. But we're going for it. Okay. Do I just go like this?
Slowly. Very slowly. All the way down. Shake it. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Pull up.
Oh fuck, why did I make that weird noise? Oh no! A giant chunk is missing. We have to go back under. We have to go back under.
Oh, look, I can see it underwater.
Now I'm gonna come up.
Yep.
Should I shake it?
Okay. The risks we take for hydro dipping.
Yeah.
Get a close up on the ass.
Got him.
Yes. Now use your other hand and move the other paint out. It's like you weren't watching us.
Ooh, look, it got the bottom of yours.
Oh, yeah.
That one's the best one yet. Wow.
Cool.
Okay.
Now do your other one.
Now try your other one.
Yeah.